Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to unlock an Outlook account. First, go to any browser and search for Microsoft Outlook. You will see a Sign In button. Click it. You will be redirected to the Sign In page. From here, just paste your email and click on Next. Normally, it should show the page like this, but in some cases, your signing might be blocked. It mainly happens due to a change in IP address, like using VPN too much. To fix it, click on Next and enter your phone number. And after you have entered your phone number, they will send a OTP. And then after entering the OTP, you will be able to log in successfully. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.